everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring Toronto, and we couldn't be more excited to share this incredible city with you. As Canada's largest city and one of North America's most dynamic urban centers, Toronto has completely blown us away. What makes this city special isn't just its stunning architecture or that iconic skyline, it's the incredible energy you feel the moment you step onto the streets. From the majestic CN Tower standing guard over downtown to the charming streets of Kensington Market, Toronto has this amazing way of blending world-class attractions with authentic local culture. Throughout today's video, we'll be taking you to some awesome spots across the city, sharing some fascinating historical insights, and yes, revealing a few interesting facts, so stick around to the end. So join us as we discover what makes Toronto such a remarkable destination. Toronto's landmarks are as iconic as they come. Starting with the CN Tower, this engineering marvel isn't just a piece of the skyline, it's an adventure. Dare to walk on the glass floor, or if you're brave enough, try the edge walk, a thrilling hands-free walk around the tower's outer edge. The Royal Ontario Museum, or ROM, combines culture and history in one strikingly modern building. It houses incredible exhibits from ancient Egyptian mummies to stunning First Nations art. Whether you're a history buff or an art enthusiast, ROM has it all. Next up, there's Casa Loma, Toronto's very own castle. Built in the early 1900s, this Gothic revival mansion offers a peek into a luxurious past. Walk through the secret tunnels, admire the stained glass windows, and take in the view from the towers. It's a step back in time you won't forget. Toronto's Distillery District is a place where its history meets creativity. Once the home of the largest whiskey distillery in the British Empire, it's now a hub for art, food, and culture. Walk along cobblestone streets lined with beautifully preserved Victorian buildings, and then pop into one of the boutique shops for unique finds or explore the mini galleries showcasing local talent. The craft breweries and distilleries here are a nod to its boozy past, and their vibe is always lively. And if you're visiting in winter, the Christmas market transforms the district into a magical wonderland with twinkling lights, festive treats, and live entertainment. Shopping and entertainment are at the heart of Toronto's appeal. Start at the Eaton Centre, which has everything from high-end brands to unique Canadian retailers. Its iconic glass ceiling is as Instagram-worthy as the shopping itself. For a more eclectic experience, head to Kensington Market or Chinatown. As you explore these streets, you're surrounded by the sights and sounds that make this neighborhood so special. From vintage treasures to handmade jewelry, you never know what you'll find. The food scene here is incredible. You can start your day with dim sum, grab jerk chicken for lunch, and end with street tacos. And that's just scratching the surface. The entertainment district pulses with energy year-round, from Broadway caliber shows to major concerts that light up the night. And when the Toronto International Film Festival rolls into town, the whole neighborhood transforms into a celebration of cinema, with stars and film lovers filling the streets. Toronto's food scene is a reflection of its diverse population. At St. Lawrence Market, you'll find everything from farm-fresh produce to artisanal cheeses and the famous pea-meal bacon sandwich, which is a must-try. Toronto's multicultural vibe extends to its restaurants. Craving sushi? Head to the waterfront. In the mood for Italian? College Street has some of the best trattorias outside of Rome. And don't forget Little Jamaica, where the jerk chicken is packed with flavor. For a night out, treat yourself to one of Toronto's rooftop restaurants. The food is exquisite, and the views of the city lights make for an unforgettable dining experience. Even in a bustling city like Toronto, there's no shortage of places to unwind. High Park is the city's largest green space and the perfect spot for a picnic, especially during cherry blossom season. For a more scenic escape, take a ferry to the Toronto Islands. This car-free area offers beaches, walking trails, and some of the best views of the skyline. Toronto also boasts world-class museums like the Art Gallery of Ontario, and with over 90,000 works of art, you can spend hours here. soaking in everything from contemporary pieces to Canadian masterpieces by the Group of Seven. No trip to Toronto is complete without a day trip to Niagara Falls, which is just a quick 90-minute drive. Whether you're viewing the falls from the observation deck or getting soaked on a boat tour, the experience is nothing short of epic. While you're there, make sure to explore the Niagara wine region. It's famous for its ice wine, which is a sweet dessert wine made from grapes frozen on the vine. The wineries offer tastings and tours that are just as delightful as the falls themselves. As promised, here are 5 fascinating facts about Toronto. Toronto has over 8,000 restaurants, making it a foodie's paradise. Path: Toronto's underground pedestrian walkway spans 30 kilometers, making it the largest in the world. The city is built on indigenous land, and its name derived from the Mohawk word Toronto, meaning where there are trees in the water. Toronto's Yonge Street was once considered the longest street in the world at 1,896 kilometers. More than 50% of Toronto's residents were born outside of Canada, making it one of the most multicultural cities in the world. As the sun sets on Toronto, we've only scratched the surface of what makes this remarkable city one of North America's most captivating destinations. From its world-class landmarks to its vibrant cultural mosaic, Toronto stands as a testament to the power of diversity and urban innovation. For those inspired to experience Toronto's magic firsthand, all the locations featured in this guide can be found in the description below. The city has endless possibilities for creating unforgettable memories. Thank you for joining this journey through Toronto. For more city guides and travel insights, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and activate notifications. Until the next destination.